If you are looking for the ideal online business to start with right now, then you're in the right place. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a few years, and it has been a fruitful and constant source of passive income for me. And I get it. I was also once a beginner, so I know how overwhelming it is to figure out the where, the how, the what that you need to get started. So stay tuned, because in this video, I will guide you through the process of starting your very own affiliate marketing business online, including the most profitable affiliate marketing products and programs that you gotta check out. And by the time you finish watching this video, you will have everything you need to know about running a successful affiliate marketing business and be on your way towards achieving the life you deserve. Subscribe to the Dr. Melva channel for your go-to guide in digital marketing for all the ambitious and purpose-driven women out there. Click the bell icon below to get notified when a new video is uploaded every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. PST. Aside from being a board-certified radiation oncologist, I've always had a business mindset, and I was always on the lookout for multiple streams of income. So I've dabbled into a lot of business ventures, and flashback, 10 years ago or so, when I initially discovered affiliate marketing, I was convinced it was a great way to earn money online. So fast forward to today, after all the hard work and perseverance, I still am into affiliate marketing, and I've built a big network of it, in fact, plus multiple income streams, circulating through several businesses that I was able to put up with the help of my affiliate marketing income. So number one, what is affiliate marketing? Basically, promoting and referring people to online products and services of companies that you will give commission in exchange for successful purchases or signups. Two, how can you make money out of it? How does it generate income? Number one, go to the affiliate marketing program's sales page. Number two, pick a product to promote and get your own referral link. Number three, promote the product on whichever platform you choose, i.e. your own website, YouTube channel, or direct potential clients to your own referral link. Number four, get a percentage of every sale or get a fixed fee for every successful sale or sign up. And sometimes you can get a recurring fee month after month. Number three, what makes it a good source of passive income? It's referred to as the easiest and best way to earn money online. All you need is mostly free. All that you need is available on the internet. All your effort is mostly done through your computer or phone. Have everything set up completely, and you can even earn when you are offline. So if you've made it this far in the video, take a moment and think about the main reason, the answer to why you are determined to earn more money through affiliate marketing. Share with others, and let's inspire each other in the comments. Number four, the best affiliate marketing programs or products to promote. Let's talk about Exodus Elite. Let's talk about ClickFunnels. Let's talk about Amazon as an affiliate. Here are the products and commission rate offered by this affiliate marketing program. Number five, recommended tools for beginners. Number one, Canva for content, graphics, and visuals. Number two, Google Suite. For organization and storage, you can use spreadsheets and Google Drive and Gmail to send emails. Number three, Answer the Public and BuzzSumo are tools for keyword research. Just type in a keyword that is relevant to the products you are promoting and have a list of the most talked about and most searched topics related to that keyword. This will give you an idea of how you can introduce your product or service to your target audience. Number four, social media pages. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest are very effective marketing tools for your affiliate marketing business. Number five, Wix.com offers free websites with ready-to-use templates. These are the basics and are mostly free to use. For more advanced tools that will help automate your affiliate marketing business, check out my complete guide to starting an affiliate marketing business, where I list out the most helpful tools that I use in my own affiliate marketing business, plus discount codes on some of the paid ones. Link in the description. As promised, I will help you get set up and on your way to starting your very own affiliate marketing business by the time you finish watching this video. Get a complete checklist with the step-by-step process of setting up your own affiliate marketing business. Check out the M360 Entrepreneurs with Dr. Melva Facebook group, our community of purpose-fueled women that are determined and driven to start building their wealth. It's a great environment where women share inspiration and encourage each other to start building wealth and achieve their goals in life. See you there. Watch out for more videos about affiliate marketing and ways to make passive income every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here at Dr. Melva TV on YouTube, empowering women to monetize their purpose. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell icon to get notified on new uploads. See you again soon.